So I just unboxed this FireFly FFTL Relic, obviously, and did an unboxing video that really wasn't that exciting. Man, I've been traveling and I'm really tired, but I've got to go out of town again here and got a quick turnaround. So yeah, so I took it out of the box. I did an unboxing and talked about it a little bit. Man, there was something sharp here. I don't know if maybe it was one of these screws that I caught a corner, but man, my pinky almost got ripped open. I mean, not to be dramatic or anything, but yeah, so anyway, the string action is really high. Man, I don't have my tools with me. It looks to me, I mean, I'm not in my study where my tools are. I'm kind of displaced these days. But that said, the nut looks like it's cut pretty good. You got the strings pretty much spot on the pole pieces of the bridge pickup. That's cool. I haven't done anything to the neck. I just tuned it. The neck is got some relief in it, but the strings are so high. The first fret seems reasonable to me, but again, guesses and feel goods don't count, right? Well, I mean, it's all finesse and play, but tools would be helpful. So just acoustically in the room, again, I just took it out of the box, I tuned it. I stretched the strings one time, probably not enough. Actually, it's really high. That'll be my excuse. Bridge pickup. Sorry, my family's watching TV in there. I can't be jamming too loud here. It's a little Black Star amp, bridge pickup. Middle position. Got the tone all the way up. Let me check the tone. Yeah, she works. A whole lot of nothing until you get to about right here. It's full volume. Middle. Neck. It's not as muddy as some. It's got a little brightness. neck, bridge, middle, neck. Anyway, first impressions, man, this neck is super rough. I don't think I like it, but I can remedy that. I like the look of it. The feel of it's kind of, the jury's out, man, on all this. But yeah, FireFly FFTL. Look at that. They relic the strings. Alright, FireFly. I'm going to check it out more and maybe come back and do some more vids. Okay. Hey man. Have a good journey with your gear. Catch you later.